Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. And unfortunately, the upload schedule is not on Valentine's Day, but at least you get to see what my Valentine's Day look was for date night. Am I going out? No. But if I was, and it wasn't freezing outside, this is what I've been wearing. I mean, you could always wear a coat, but like this is split. I'm showing leg. I'm giving, don't know what that is. But this is not as hard as it looks. I think it's the perfect Valentine's Day glam if you don't want anything super pink, super bright. And I feel like I'm giving y'all that. So if you guys are ready to get into my Valentine's Day date night glam, keep on watching. For this look, I'm actually going into 3 palettes. 2 from Nomad Cosmetics. You guys saw this when I did a fall eye look. And this is my Orient Express. I'm not sure if I used it for that also, but I might have. I don't know. This has my favorite red in it. This also has a really nice red, but I want to use this one. And of course, I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro Pigment Palette in Warm for that black obsidian shade. But let's get started. I checked. I haven't done a Valentine's Day look in quite some time. A little embarrassing, but love is in the air. Not for me, I don't know. With my Morphe, what is this? This is a M453 brush. I'm going into the Orient Express palette from Nomad Cosmetics into that Roaring 20 shade. You guys know that red is just doing it for me. And I like how this brush is angled. Whoa. I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, she's in a robe. She must actually be getting ready to go out. That is not correct. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just cold and I'm wearing a dress, so I can't really put it on and get dressed. Not today. It just wouldn't work out. But I'm just gonna use this as a transition shade. It's getting all over and that's like, it's okay. I'm going with darker colors, so I'm not too upset. I just really like the angle of this brush. Alright, so I'm finally going to wear a dress that I actually have in my try-on. Could I zip up the back in the try-on? No. I couldn't. But I feel like it's been so long since I've done like a Valentine's Day look. I don't think I did one last year. And I think the year before that I did like an anti-Valentine's Day look. Oh, I definitely didn't do one last year because I took a little break for 6 months. But we're back and we are definitely consistent. Check out my shorts. I show more of my little baby Barris in there. You know, my little puppy who's getting so big, who's almost not a puppy anymore. But we don't have to talk about things that hurt us because who told you to grow so fast? I didn't. So next, my Morphe E36. I really want to deepen it up. The dress is more of a wine, so that's where we're going. So we're going into Wine Harvest in the Hudson Valley palette, also by Nomad Cosmetics. And this, we're gonna get a little. We're gonna hit the crease with this. I'm not really upset. I'm not focused so much as on the lid right now. If I get any shadows on there, I am doing a halo eye. I'm gonna glam it up with some glitter. I feel like I haven't used glitter in so long. I'm so excited. Do you see how beautiful? It's like almost matching the dress exactly. You guys will see if you haven't seen it already. Do you know what I'm talking about? If you know what dress I'm talking about before I even get here, because you can only see the top in the intro, let me know. I'm just gonna put some on the inner corner and a little bit on the outer corner. I will probably more than likely deepen up one end with the black just because I think it would be nice. I'm going into my Ulta color switch just to clean this up. Although I'm going into like a darker shade, so it's not really necessary. I'm finally going to hit that obsidian shade from this OG palette. Again, I'm just going to hit the outer corner mostly. This mirror is blurry. Ooh. I don't want to take it in too much. And whatever's on the brush, I'm just going to use it for this side for right now too. It's so pigmented that you always want to start with a very, very small amount. I just realized that I do not know what shade I want to put on the lid. I don't think I had one planned out. Not me scrambling. Okay, so I'm actually gonna have to grab a different palette for the lid shade because I don't know what I want right now. Being very, very cautious not to use too much on the inner corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. I'm going to finish up one eye off camera, show you guys how I do this one. But of course, off camera, I'm also gonna cut the crease because that just takes way too long. Again, it's a halo eye, so I'm just cutting the crease in the middle to make like a spotlight. And we are gonna go in with glitter. It's been so long that I used, you guys know I'm an extra. But like for a date night, Valentine's Day look, you can't look, no gems are coming out. Let's just say that because you guys know me. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up and show you guys how I did one eye. It's always gonna be, my little eye is always done first. Off camera, I did go ahead and finish up this eye. I love how it came out because it almost matches my dress exactly. Sorry, the dress is over here. And I think it's perfect. So here's what I did. You guys see that I just cut the crease. I used my, I don't know what concealer I use. I use a concealer. Can't remember. I usually use my Tarte Shape Tape, but I think this one is Urban Decay. Don't quote me. Sometimes I lie. For the lid shade, I actually went into this Ultimate I Know That's Bright NYX palette. I have not used it yet, and I think this is gonna have to be like my next palette that I use for a really bright, really fun look. I went into this pink up here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. This is my Luxe Smoky Shader Brush by Zoeva. This is the 234. This is like a little, ooh, this was a little messy. It's like a packed glitter opposed to a shimmer, so it did take a little time. So you kind of want to just pat it on. There will be fallout, but I am going on top with the glitter just to give it a little something else. You know, like a little bit more pop, a little bit more drama, but still keeping it, you know, keeping it cute. All right, and I think that's pretty good. This is with the glitter and this is without. I know. I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer. Perfect for their glitter brilliance, which I'm gonna use. Again, I love this stuff, but after a while it does start to leak out of the side, so just be mindful of that. They also sell out really, really fast, and I'm just gonna use this. I like to use a synthetic brush. The one that I used is already filled with glitter, so I'm just gonna grab this one and just gonna go right in the middle where that shimmer was placed. So there. While it's still wet and tacky, I am gonna go into the NYX Glitter Brilliance. This is in 09, GLI 09. And it is just a very, I wouldn't say it's like a wine shade. It's a little bit more on the pinky side. It's very easy if you pop it in the cap. Going in with another synthetic brush. I'm actually gonna take some of the primer just to pick up the glitter. And this is why we wear a robe. And pop it on. It just makes it a lot easier. Ooh, I think I had to put some more on there. I think I need to add a little bit more. We're getting coverage right now. Just gonna add a little bit more on this side because it wasn't looking, it's not looking as full. Ooh, so I really like how this came out. I love the colors. Love it. All right, I'm just going to clean up the outer corner. I'm not going to try to clean up any excess glitter from the sides. I'm just going back in with the Hudson Valley palette into the Wine Harvest shade with my E30 Cs. And I'm going to just clean up the edges and the crease. This is just really what I'm using to define the shape that I want. See, this is what I mean. Just trying to make sure that they're, you know, even enough. I'm going with a little bit more glitter. I'm not adding anything to this brush, whatever's here. I'm just going to, just for, you know, make it a little bit more clean and even. But that is really it for the eyes. Off camera, I'm just going to finish up. You guys have seen me do my base a million, gazillion, trillion times. I will clean up some of that fallout from the glitter. I usually use like a dry brush, and then I'm gonna go in with like some micellar water to really clean it up. I'm gonna finish my face. The only thing I'm adding to the eyes are some liner, mascara. I think I'm gonna go in with the pink in the waterline. Let's do that. And I'm gonna blush. Sometimes I don't blush, but I feel like it's needed. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish up the look off camera, and show you guys how it came out.
This right here is my mug. In slow motion, my mug. A beauty shot you can't compare to.
This is the final look. I absolutely love how it came out. I feel like it's just enough glam, and it was pretty simple to do. You'd be surprised how much just a little glitter will bring that look from like a calm vibe to you being that girl, okay? For the blush, I did go into this Sweet Cheeks blush trio. This is from Glam. I use the pinkest blush in here, and I think it looks really, really cute. For the highlight, I went in with my Physician Formula Butter Highlight in Champagne. I was thinking of using my pink highlight, the Hot Shot from Nomad Cosmetics, but I feel like this is date night. We don't want to be too much. We're already doing a lot. I know. For the lips, I went into this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Copenhagen, and I just paired this with the LA Girl Velvet Matte Lipstick. I don't know why it turned color down here, probably oxidized for forever, but this is in Runway, and it's just this beautiful wine shade. It is so creamy, it goes on so smooth, and it is very, very matte, as you can see. One of my favorites. I want to buy all of them and then just do a little try on, but I know that's probably not gonna happen. As I stated, I did just go ahead and use a pink eyeliner in the waterline. It is my LA Girl Auto Eyeliner, Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner. Y'all, I'm doing good. The lashes are, of course, in the style Bratty. We don't have to get into it. If you're new here, it's a whole thing, and NDAs are stopping me from doing a quick little story time. But this is the look. I think it's great for date night. Make sure you go ahead and check out my community tab as well as my Instagram. I am posting back on Instagram, so you guys can check it out and see how the look actually turned out with the dress. Again, this is a dress I got from Fashion Nova. Check out my try-on hauls. And I know this is not Valentine's Day because it's on a Friday outside of the upload schedule, but let me know in the comments how your Valentine's Day went. Did you go out? Do you celebrate? Do you just have a chill day? Did you have a Galentine's Day? Because that's always fun. Or did you just go for like a solo date night? I think I'm most likely going to have a solo date night on like Monday because I took off and I stress. But this look is definitely, ooh, I really like it. And I can't wait to get back into more tutorials, and like I'm really itching to do something really, really creative. Did you like the video? Go ahead and do that for me, please. Thank you. And if you got this far, drop some red hearts in the comment section so I know you still here. But that is it, guys. If you like the video, again, make sure you like the video. It helps me out a lot. The notification bell should be on, but definitely follow me on Instagram. This year, I'm not playing with the content. I've been very consistent. Check out the shorts. I'm doing it, okay? But if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And I'm bringing you more looks like this, more vlogs, more of my puppy in my shorts because he's really bringing in the views. He's carrying the team right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.